Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to add your name to the window taskbar and personalize your window PC. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let me show you. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to create a new folder. And for you to do that, simply right click on the PC surrounding environment and make sure you go to new. Then from new, go to folder. From the top right here, click on folder. Then here, make sure you type in the name you want to appear on your taskbar. So I'm going to simply enter my name right here. Then hit enter. Now you have the folder created right here. Next thing you need to do is to come down below right here to your taskbar menu, right click on it. So this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to go to toolbar. Then from toolbar, make sure you go to new toolbar. And this window here is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to go to desktop. Then from desktop right here, make sure you look for the folder. So here's the folder right here. Select on the folder and make sure you click on select folder. And in a few seconds, the name is going to be appear just like what you see right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to put your name in the window taskbar for PC customization and personalization. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.